Alright, we're here in Universal. First day and only day. We just arrived right now at the Universal Boardwalk. Pretty cool, looking pretty good.
We're looking good out here. It is a bit cloudy, but looks like we can make it through the day.
Yeah, but it's all good. It's all good people. Oh, the
Let it be
iconic
known
surf,
this is my
surf
first
wave.
time here.
The surf wave at Billabong. Look.
Let it be known, Brand Gibby. This is my first time here, folks. Let it be known.
First time at Universal. Right away, we're going to go to Diagon Alley. Down here, I think. Yeah, it looks like Diagon Alley down there, yeah. Isle of Adventure we'll do later.
Oh, look, Margaritaville's right there.
Seems like Universal has halted some construction here. It looks pretty old, honestly. Looks like they stopped after COVID, but hopefully they get back to it. Universal Boardwalk is very popular and very famous for all their restaurants that they have here. Hard Rock Cafe, Universal there. Nice.
What's that? Chocolate Emporium.
Yeah. Oh, Voodoo Donut. Okay. Okay, Carmen, get in there. Wait.
Look, and those were here. Yeah.
Let me get you in there, yeah. Can you give me the phone?
No, looks like they're doing it.
Alright, that's fine.
Let's go to Universal.
Ah.
Iconic.
Yes. Run, Carmen, run. Here we are, folks. The first park here, Universal Studios, Florida.
Are those masks?
No. Great picture moments down there, that's for sure. The iconic, the incomparable Universal Planet all over the world. All right, we entered here, Universal Studios, Florida.
You're welcome.
Oh my God, look, there's that.
Is he moved? Oh my God, he just moved. You talking about me?
Oh my God, that's
shit, he's
so
talking
awesome.
to me. Yeah, I'm talking to you. He is. You in the white shirt.
That's so awesome.
What's up? How you doing?
You should say Zoe, you need a ride.
Well, I'm hanging in there, brother. Sister. Oh, there's another one. Hi, I see you over there.
Hi.
Oh, you thought I couldn't see you? Yes. Trying to walk over all quiet. I heard them footsteps. Trying to tiptoe over. You can't sneak up on me. What bring you to the bus? Are you all lost?
Yes.
Where you trying to go?
Where does he know? Where does he say?
You trying to what? You go to
Diagon Alley.
Diagon Alley? You don't know where it is?
Diagon Alley.
It's over there. See that brick wall behind you?
That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
That's a secret prostitute, right? But don't tell nobody. It's a secret. Okay, we won't tell anybody.
Can you say Zoe, get on the bus?
What you say?
Zoe, get on the bus.
Who's Zoe?
Me.
You Zoe?
Yes.
Zoe, get on the bus.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll be back.
Well, Zoe, you should go talk to the conductor back there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the conductor's back there.
Oh my God.
Say hi, Brand.
Hey, what's up? I don't know if you can see that waving.
Brand, we were told Diagon Alley is through the brick wall.
I said that's a secret. Why are you telling everybody?
I'm so sorry. We gotta make it there quick.
Make it there quick.
Yeah.
You still standing here?
I know, but you're so entertaining.
Oh, well, thank you. You know, I've been working on my stand-up. And I said, as soon as I find my body, I'll be standing up.
Can you say, Brandon, get on the bus?
Brandon, get on the bus. Back there.
Thank you.
You're welcome, stranger. Bye, Brandon.
Huh?
That's a cute little dog.
Fred, go. I got this. Oh my goodness. Here we are, Brandon's awaited spot.
The Nimbus 2000.
Tell them, Brand, what is this?
The Nimbus 2000. The broom that Harry had. Oh, dude. This is crazy.
You don't want to keep walking through? I'm recording Brandon, folks, because the GoPro has quit on us. The GoPro has quit on us. Oh, that's cute.
This one?
Guys, look. A puffle ball. A puffle ball. Look at that. This is insane. The triple cannons. 21 times league champions. Official. Mira esto. The trading cards, look. Look at this. This is incredible. Look, a chocolate frog. This is amazing. You should get Godric Gryffindor.
What about the official?
The Salazar
Look.
Slytherin.
Oh.
My god. This is incredible.
Brandon is basking in the glory.
What should I get, folks?
I think you should
Godric
get
Gryffindor,
Dumbledore.
Salazar Slytherin, Rowena Ravenclaw,
Dumbledore.
or Helga Hufflepuff.
Or get Gryffindor, because you're
I think that's my
Gryffindor.
boys. That's my boys right there. That's my boys right there.
Brandon, didn't you want to get the chocolate frog?
I did want to get the chocolate frog, but it's a little heavy. Wherever Harry goes to, the Leaky Conjurer, that's where he goes to, the bar. What was this guy? Guilford Lockhart, remember? In the second movie? All his esteemed books. Used to be the defense against the dark arts. This is where you get your wand.
Want to go in? Are we going?
my true wand is here somewhere. Every wizard has come here before going to Hogwarts. Do you have one? What are you? I have am I birch, rowan, ash, alder, willow, hawthorn? I have to read all these to make sure that they actually align to what I am and who I am.
Alright.
It's a tough choice.
We'll come back momentarily as Brandon decides which wand shall be the one.